Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 8092004, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now the resolution is on the Microsoft Answers forum, and hundreds of people have confirmed it. So it is to install this specific KB, which is KB4490628, and I'll tell you how to do this. Search for catalog update Microsoft or Microsoft update catalog. Go to this website catalog.update.microsoft.com, paste it here or type it here, whatever you prefer. It is 4490628. You'll find this KB here. Click on download and wait for it to download, and then click on this MSU file. You'll get an option to click on open. Click on open and it will install this update. Once the update is installed, right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then finally click on restart. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.